Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Matt T here. I have been asked by Jay over at Broken Shed Vodka. He's challenged me to make a cocktail during our home quarantine using ingredients that I had at home already. So the trick was to not go out and buy anything. A lot of people ask me, Matt T, how'd you start bartending? Well, be honest, high school. Because at the parties, it'd be like, there's the kitchen, go make something to drink. And it would be something, make us all something to drink. And it'd be like a jug of vodka and grape Kool-Aid and Sprite. But, ooh, maybe we'll throw in pickle juice, because now I know it's savory. But that's kind of where it all started. And that kind of took me back to this. So we're going to do a cocktail using Broken Shed Vodka, which is a nice vodka from New Zealand, triple distilled. Distilled from whey protein, super clean, gluten-free, no GMOs. I really suggest you try it on its own before you make a cocktail, because it's great and it's very smooth. And this is coming from a not particular vodka drinker, and I really enjoyed it. It's our well over at Locked Barrel, and it's come out really nice. I thought I'd do a riff on a sour here. I see a lot of people ask us about using egg in our drink, and the egg is pasteurized. We're using the egg for the foam, the head on top of it. So I know a lot of people ask me about it when I'm making sours. I thought this would be a good chance to expose some more people to it and just kind of show you how we make a sour with egg white. So first we're going to do what's called a dry shake, and that's getting the egg white into the cocktail, and we keep the yolk out of it. That's going to be all protein that we're going to stimulate with the acids and the citrus that we put in here. Whoa, as long as we don't spill the egg yolk. All right, so we're starting off with a dry shake. Like I said, putting the egg yolk in first and getting everything really shaken up and agitated. And this is going to help with the head on the cocktail at the end. You ever see a bartender shaking and it's not making any noise? That's what they're doing. Next we're going to add our citrus. I'm doing lemon. Lemon here. And I'm looking for about an ounce of lemon juice. So I've got half a lemon peel there, and that was just under it. Let's go for another half. Okay. Ounce of lemon juice. Now we're building the cocktail still. I was looking around for a sweetener agent. I didn't want to necessarily use sugar, though I did have some at the house. I found a can of blackberries and a light syrup, not corn fructose, so I thought I'd use some of that. And don't worry, I had another can that I tasted already. So I'm going to do a half ounce of that. That's going to be our sweetener to balance the citrus in this cocktail. Now that on its own was kind of light. So I thought a little bit of honey was nice in this cocktail. The honey brings some viscosity, and you want to be careful not too much, because if you use too much, you're just going to taste honey. So I got about a bar spoon in here. Lastly, the booze. We're going to go 2 full ounces of the Broken Shed Vodka. Now I like to give it a little bit more of a shake, just to get it going. And now we're going to add a little bit of ice. When I say a little bit, I'm saying like 4 or 5 cubes. Really not too much. Nice, it's all frozen. Okay. Now in the shaker, forming a seal, crescent moon right there. You're going to shake this hard. Right now, that citrus is agitating the proteins and the egg white, making a nice foam. Okay, I can tell that ice is almost pulverized. I've got a chilled coup here. Now we're going to break the seal by holding it here and spanking the other side. Nice click. That's a good head here. We've got a hawthorn strainer, flush on top, and a fine strainer. You see that foam, that head? I'm going to let that settle for a moment. And now this cocktail came out a little sweet, so I'm doing a little bit of orange bitters on top. Just a dash. And we're going to finish that up with a lemon express and discard. So I'm going to take the lemon, peel it across the top of the cocktail, get some oils on it. I'm going to express it across the top, rub it around the rim, and then discard, throwing that away. Looks like we could squeeze a little bit more in here. Alright, that's finished up nice. So, this is a vodka sour with blackberry, honey, lemon, and broken shed vodka. Again, the proportions are 2 ounces of the vodka, 1 ounce of lemon, a ½ ounce of the blackberry syrup, and probably about a ¼ ounce of the honey. Give it a try at home. These are all ingredients you should be able to find pretty easy. You could substitute the blackberry for something else. Try it with strawberry, try it with blueberry. Anything that has some of that syrup in it should do you well. And that foam came out good. Enjoy.